Hello everyone, welcome to Go Get My Guru. In this session, let's discuss about past statement in Python. By now we are all familiar with the usage of continue and break statement in Python. Now what is this new thing, past statement? This is an inbuilt statement in Python. Let's understand the usage of this with an example. Let's say I have a list of names here, Anvesh, Daivik, and then let's say I have Vivan. Now I'll make use of for loop here for naam in names. I will not mention any conditions here, or I'll leave for loop as empty now. Now let's run this and check what we will get. So here you can see that indentation error, expected an indented block. So it is telling some block is missing there. After the for loop, you are missing a block there. Let's go back to code and now let's make use of this past statement here. Now let's see what interpreter does. So here you can see that this was the error we got initially before using past statement, and now you can see that we did not get any error and it did not print any output because we did not mention any print function there. So what is this pass is doing here? This pass acts as a placeholder for future implementation. Suppose you are writing a code, for time being you want to pass this for loop and write the next line of code. Let's say I'll print the last name is, I'll print naam. Now what I am doing here, I am just passing this for loop. I am not doing any actions, or I am not checking any conditions in this for loop. I am not iterating anything in this for loop. I want just to print the last name, that is whichever the name is last in this list, I want to print that. So let's run this and check what we will get. So here you can see that last name Vivan has been printed. By now you have understood, when we did not use the past statement here, we got an error that expecting an indented block. So our program was not syntactically correct. To make it syntactically correct, we have used past statement here. So when we can make use of this past statement? This past statement can be used with if, for loops, functions, and class. So we can make use of this past statement in all these things. The most use case of this past statement is, assume that you are going to design a new class with some methods that you don't want to implement right now. Maybe in future you want to implement those methods. So that time you can make use of past statement to pass your program or pass the class. I hope you are clear with all these statements: past statement, break statement, and continue statement. We'll see you again in the next session with lots of other concepts in Python. Thanks for watching. Do like and share our videos. Happy learning. Subscribe to Go Get My Guru channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive regular updates.